Hello, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Freedom 101 Yi, your guide to navigating the financial landscape. I'm your host, and today we're stepping behind the curtain into the exclusive world of the wealthy to reveal 10 things that rich people don't tell you. If you're new here, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell so you're always in the loop when we drop some fresh financial knowledge. Are you ready to unlock the secrets that could transform your finances? Let's get started! Luxury cars, sprawling mansions, jet-setting lifestyle, the world of the wealthy often appears unreachable. But what if you had a roadmap to guide your journey there? Let's crack the code to their wealth, shall we? Starting with secret number 1. They make their money work for them through the power of compound interest. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about this? Well, imagine planting a tiny seed that grows into a massive tree. That's compound interest. Let's take Warren Buffett, for instance. He's been investing since he was 11, and now in his 90s, his wealth is colossal. That's the power of time and compound interest at work. They understand that even small amounts invested consistently can grow into a fortune over time due to compound interest. Unveiling secret number 2. They diversify their income. The wealthy don't rely on a single income stream. Instead, they have multiple avenues, whether from their primary business, real estate, stocks, or even royalties. Elon Musk is a perfect example of this. As the CEO of multiple companies like SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, he has diversified income sources. This not only multiplies their wealth, but also safeguards them against any financial storms. Now to secret number 3. They possess a growth mindset. Wealthy individuals embrace challenges and treat failures as opportunities to learn and grow. Let's look at 2 instances. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, faced numerous rejections before she finally got published. Similarly, Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Yet they both saw failures as stepping stones towards their goals, not obstacles. Moving on to secret number 4. They live below their means. It might surprise you, but not all billionaires indulge in extravagant lifestyles. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. Or Mark Zuckerberg, known for his simple wardrobe of gray t-shirts and jeans. They know the importance of not outspending their earnings and consistently invest the difference to grow their wealth. Midway through, we have secret number 5. They are lifelong learners. They constantly feed their minds with knowledge and seek ways to improve their skills. Take Bill Gates. He reads approximately 50 books a year, whereas Elon Musk reportedly learned rocket science by reading books. Their thirst for knowledge keeps them ahead in the game. And secret number 6. They value their network. The rich know that the people they associate with can have a significant impact on their wealth. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, attributes much of his success to his networking abilities, often hosting get-togethers on his private island. They maintain relationships with diverse groups of people, providing access to a variety of perspectives, opportunities, and resources. Coming up is secret number 7. They set and follow clear financial goals. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, didn't become the richest man overnight. He meticulously planned his journey, setting smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. His initial goal wasn't to become the world's richest man, but to create an everything store. A clear vision and detailed goals guided him on his path. Next, secret number 8. They value time above everything else. They know that every minute counts and they cannot afford to waste it. Look at Bill Gates. Despite his wealth, he values his time so much that he plans his daily activities down to the minute. They delegate tasks when necessary and focus on what matters most, often investing in tools and people that can help save them time. Approaching the end with secret number 9. They take calculated risks. From successful entrepreneurs to savvy investors, risk-taking is a common trait among the wealthy. However, it's not about making hasty decisions. Instead, they meticulously analyze the potential returns against the risks. Look at venture capitalist Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal. He made a risky $500,000 investment in a small startup called Facebook in 2004. The rest, as we know, is history. Finally, at the peak with secret number 10, they understand the power of giving. From Andrew Carnegie building libraries across the U.S. to Bill Gates and Warren Buffett pledging the majority of their fortunes to philanthropy, they know that wealth comes with the power and responsibility to make a difference. And there we have it, the 10 things that rich people don't tell you. Remember, these aren't just strategies for a quick fortune. These are principles for a lifetime of financial success and personal fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Got thoughts or questions? We'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, remember, your journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint.